keep walking that way. You got nothing to do with this. You can film all you want, but go back there.
There's no expectation of privacy in public, sir. The moment you step outside, you can be recorded. I'm requesting a supervisor, sir.
That's great.
You lied about your name and your badge number, sir. I'm walking regular. You walk past me, sir.
Let's get right to it. The channel is Gambino Green Thumb. He records in the Los Angeles area. I've mostly seen the Los Angeles Sheriff's Department in his videos. These are county deputies that are known to have gangs within the department. This video tells the story of a man with the camera not doing anything illegal, documenting police interactions, getting harassed by the deputies, all while they ignore their own policy when they're asked to identify. What I especially like about this video is that Gambino Green Thumb is an absolute beast when it comes to holding them accountable. He doesn't back down in this video, and at the end of the video, he makes a complaint on the rude deputies. You're going to absolutely love this video. You're also going to want to subscribe to his channel if you'd like to see more of his content. Without further ado, here's your video, folks.
Ain't nothing but against the party.
Let me see how much space. Why is that?
Just keep walking that way. You got nothing to do with this. You can film all you want, but go back there.
Why is that?
Please. Please, you got nothing to do with this.
Are you asking me to move, or is that a lawful
Step back
command?
over there, please.
Are you asking me, or is that a lawful command?
It's a lawful command because right now you're interrupting our operation.
Interrupting?
Yeah.
How so?
Because we have to pay attention to you. You're too close.
You don't have to.
Yeah, we do.
You're choosing
You don't know
to.
who you are.
You don't have to know who I am either. I'm recording. I'm recording. You know what I'm doing here.
Just film from over there. You don't need to be this close.
Why is that?
There's no reason to be this close.
What penal code say I gotta go down there?
There's no penal code that says
So I'm not breaking the law.
the penal code interrupting
I'm not interrupting.
Yeah, you are right now. because
I'm not.
paying attention to
You don't have to. You choosing to come over here. I didn't call for you. I didn't ask for you to come over here. Or any. Look how far they are, all the way over there.
You're too close to us.
I'm more than 10 feet.
There's no set rule.
Glick versus Cummings.
You're too close to me. That's
I understand that. Y'all grown men, so there's no fear for you here. I don't have no weapons.
I didn't say you did.
Okay, you don't have to. You're choosing to. I'm just standing here watching y'all.
Yeah.
I know.
Because you're interrupting with us.
I'm not. I haven't said a word to you.
Through our crime scene.
I didn't walk through your crime scene. I walked on the public sidewalk. It's not taped off. I walked through the public sidewalk. Okay, it's COVID. It's cold out here still. I got a mask on. It's cold. It's cold. I don't have a jacket, so I have a mask on. It's the only cover I got. I understand, and I'm just politely going to stand here and continue to tape, sir. I'm not breaking the law. I'm not impeding any investigation. Impeding is a physical act, sir.
I gotta focus on you.
Impeding is a physical act. They're dispersing.
Yeah, now they are.
Because there was nothing going on in the first place.
There was. You walking back and forth.
Okay, legally on the public easement.
It has nothing to do
On the
with
public easement. If it listen, sir, if this was a crime scene, y'all would have had it taped off. If you don't want pedestrians to access the sidewalk.
I'm asking you to.
I've already told you, sir, I'm going to stand here and continue to tape because I'm not doing anything wrong. What's your name and badge number, sir?
See you right here.
Your policy say you have to state it.
I don't have to state it.
Can I see your can I see your department issued ID then?
You're not detained, and you're
I don't have to be detained. Your policy say when the public asks for your ID, I'm not. Okay, then y'all just have a good day. Y'all making a big deal. I'm just standing here. Yeah, if you don't want to get into it, then just go back to it. You said what? I didn't hear you. He doesn't want to be recorded, you said?
He does not want to be recorded. You need to take a step back.
That's fine. We in public.
Okay, well, you don't have his consent.
Well, you don't have any rights to privacy in public.
Yes.
No, you don't. There's no expectation of privacy in public, sir. The moment you step outside, you can be recorded.
Something about the way this guy responds to the cops. I feel like he's definitely been watching channels like mine for a long time. So if you guys are not subscribed, you might want to do that now. You will learn your rights and you will learn what to say when encountering police. This guy is absolutely correct. There is no expectation of privacy in public. And what gets me is, doesn't this cop know that every time he goes out of his house, he's being recorded everywhere he goes? What's the difference between a camera on a wall and a camera in a person's hand? There is no difference. They're both recording. Keep watching.
Y'all know this, man. Why y'all want to bother me? Why he telling me all this unnecessary stuff? Y'all do know y'all have the right to record people in public, right? Yep. So why is he telling me this man don't give me his consent and XYZ when he know I don't need his consent? Come on, man. Just do y'all job and y'all don't gotta worry about me. I'm just right here watching. That's it. Just like your partner watching, I'm just watching. I know, that's why I'm not bothering y'all. I didn't say a word to y'all. I'm not too close. Look. Look where I'm at. Look where y'all at. I mean, it's gonna have to. What's your name and badge number?
Alvarado.
Badge number? Huh?
1965.
1965? All right, you doing good so far. Let's just keep it like that.
All right, cool.
You have your department issue ID on you?
Yeah.
Can I see it?
No.
Can I see it when y'all done? Because the policy states it. I know you might not have to do it right now, but it do say you have to do it once it's in a timely manner. You know, once y'all done. I know, I'll wait. I'm not rushing. Oh yeah, they don't supposed to do that. Uh-huh. Yep. I don't believe they can drive civilian cars. Are you guys permitted to drive civilian cars? Are you guys allowed to drive civilian cars?
Look that up since you're very knowledgeable on all the state laws.
I'm asking you. All right, well, what's your name and badge number? I never said I was more knowledgeable than you. We never even had a conversation.
My name is Deputy Smith. My badge number is 1234.
Is that your badge or your serial?
That's my badge. My serial is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, can I see your department issue ID? Your department policy say you're supposed to show your ID, sir. Your department policy?
Yeah.
You never read it? It don't matter. I know it says in your policy that you're supposed to show your ID. You're supposed to have 3 forms. You're supposed to have 3 forms of ID, sir. You're supposed to have 3 forms, sir. No, sir. No, sir. That's not how it's done. Yeah, I'm good. I got them. It's all right, because I'll file a complaint on you if you're lying to me about your badge number. I'll file a complaint if you're lying to me about your badge number.
You're welcome.
What's your name again?
You can file a complaint.
What's your name again? Deputy who?
Smith.
Deputy Smith, that's not what it says on your badge.
The badge doesn't have my name on it. What?
That's not what it says on your name tag, sir.
I'm not wearing a name tag.
That's not what your name tag say.
I'm wearing a name plate.
Whatever, name plate. So are you failing the ID? Are you failing the ID, sir? All right, can I get your supervisor out here?
Nope.
I'm requesting a supervisor, sir.
For what?
Because I'm requesting a supervisor because you're lying to me about your name and your badge number. You've already lied to me about your name and your badge number, sir. I'm requesting a supervisor, sir. I'm requesting a supervisor, sir.
That's great.
You lied about your name and your badge number, sir. I'm walking regular. You walk past me, sir. So you're not gonna identify? All right, I'll get your plate number and call in. What? I can step off the curb for a second. That's a failure to ID on him. Now I am gonna have to go up there, show the sergeant this video, get his name and badge number the right way. You know, police officers are more of a peace officer and they enforce policy, seem like they like to enforce feelings and not law. So, but I'm cool with the sheriff, man. But that guy, he needs to learn how to conduct himself in the public, man.
All right, so you don't want to leave a phone number?
No, just a contact email. I'm really good at responding. It's literally only for business involving police officers, so I respond right away. And I would like a...
what time did this happen?
About 20, 30 minutes ago. I've been here for about 20 minutes. Probably took me 10 minutes to get here, so something like that.
What city?
This was off of, I want to say Marine and Redondo. This was off of Redondo Street in Marine, right there, close to the donut shop.
Okay, so basically you saw deputies.
Yeah, they had someone pulled over, I guess, stolen car. I stopped just to check it out and see what's going on. You know, record the scene, check it out.
Stop.
And that's what happened.
You see.
Well, I'm media, so, you know, I was doing my media thing. And
you have media credentials?
who passes those out?
Sheriff himself.
No, no one passes out no media credentials.
You contact sheriff's headquarters?
Nah, that's not necessary, man. The First Amendment gives you the right to record in public. You don't need no media credentials, man.
You didn't have the right. I just say we pass out media credentials.
No, but I'm just saying it's not even needed, so it's no need to go and
just a question.
No, I understand. It's just no need to go and get one to get permission from someone to do something you have the right to do.
Just that way we identify you out on the street.
I don't need to be identified. I'll just tell you I'm media.
Well, everybody can say that.
Everybody got the right to say that under the First Amendment. So there it is, you know. That's why it's called freedom of press. I mean, everyone is free to do it, man. You don't need any passes or anything like that.
Deputy gave wrong name.
Wrong badge and wrong serial. Well, I guess not badge, but serial, since you guys don't have badge numbers or employee number. Gave that wrong also.
Okay, I gotta get his employee number. I don't know it by heart.
Can you write it down for me too, so I can also have
give
it?
you a copy of this.
All right, cool. And his partner too. I know I don't want his partner part of the complaint, but I do want to know who he is. I'm on 5%, man, trying to get this done so I can get out of here. They brought me down here. I didn't want to come down here. All we had to do is just comply and stop resisting, and then we wouldn't be here.
Filed. It will be Well, they can't send you a letter. Normally, they would send you a letter saying your plane's being handled by a lieutenant.
Oh yeah, they can send the email though. I'll get the email the same way, right?
I'll ask operations. I don't know. I don't work back there. But
And where's his badge number?
Regino, and then they don't give you the copy of the badge number. I could write on there.
Okay.
No secret.
And what was the name of the other officer who we had?
Cano.
Cano.
He works at Men's Central Jail. He's actually on a ride along.
Okay. See, I understand. That's what I said. I get if he rides along usually, but he had somebody today.
Right, but he usually works by himself, like I said.
I wasn't trying to challenge you. Again, like I just was telling him, I like the sheriffs, man. Y'all cool with me.
I don't know all the deputies, so I didn't know him.
But
it kind of worked out.
That's no issue. That's no issue.
It kind of worked out perfect because they just walked in, so I was able to talk to both of them right now, and neither one of them knew the policy.
See,
so I have
that's
to
an
go
issue
print it
then.
out right now. Yeah.
See what I mean? And he trying to tell me, he like, how are you going to tell me what my policy is if you don't even know what department I work for? Dude, almost everybody policy is generally the same.
He knows now.
I hope so. Let's get him some training, man. All right, appreciate you.
Los Angeles has been producing some really good channels lately. This is what I like to see. I would definitely like to link up with Gambino Green Thumb in the future as well. How many of you guys would like to see that? Give me a 1 in the comment section if you would. It would be Gambino Green Thumb and Joaquin Green Thumb joining forces. Folks, how important is it that you know your rights? Cops have this thing that's called presumed authority. And if you don't check it immediately, it turns into unbridled power. That's what cops like. They expect you to voluntarily give up your rights when you don't know your rights. That's how you make a cop's job easy. I want you guys to know that if you give up your rights, especially when they use that propaganda, if you're not hiding anything, then just give up your information. When you do that, folks, you make it extremely difficult for everyone else. When you stand up for your rights, you make it safer for the next person. Before you guys go, we're going to give you the First Amendment of the Constitution. Reason being is because nobody out there seems to know it. They're not teaching us in school, and they're not teaching police in the academies. Once you know how important it is, you won't forget it, and you'll have the ability to teach a cop when you see a cop. Here it is, folks. You have a freedom of religion, freedom of press, freedom of speech, freedom of assembly, and freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. So important the Second Amendment was written to protect it. These documents don't give us our rights. These documents limit the scope of authority that public officials have over we the people. That's why cops absolutely despise the Constitution. And that's why they refuse to learn the simplicity of the First Amendment, because they mirror your natural-born rights. With that being said, thank you all for tuning in. Go subscribe, Gambino Green Thumb. Let them know I sent you. I will see you guys in this comment section. If you guys have videos you want us to look at, send them to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. Let us know if you want us to highlight your channels or if you want to stay anonymous. We can do that for you. All right, folks. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.